Let's go now just a little bit into the project files. Let's start with the layout. I've used combined linear layouts with relative layouts. This is the second page. Here I have used a radio group, edit text, and a linear layout containing the checkboxes with this attribute gone. And then programmatically I have set them visible in Java file. This is the drawable folder with all the shapes and images. Custom dialog boxes, custom home pop-up menu, custom toasts. Here are the arrays with all the answer possibilities for every question. Colors, all dimensions for portrait and landscape, integers, strings for Romanian, for English and Romanian, styles, different styles, also styles for landscape. Now let's go a little bit in the Java files. Here I have 5 classes. First class is an object, question object, with 4 constructors. Here we store all the questions, and here we have another object with user answers. Every answer is stored in such an object. This is a class with tools which I use in the app. A method of comparing strings, shuffle array method, custom toast, show overflow, pop-up menu, show dialog box, restart quiz. This is the home screen class associated with the layout activity home screen. On create method, and here is the start quiz button, which sends to the quiz activity through an intent. And this is the seek bar. And the quiz class, this is the largest class. Let's go a little bit through it. We have here the initialization of global variables, the bundle variables for rotation, on saved instance state, on create. Here is where we get all the IDs for elements in the layout. Here we initialize arrays, questions, and this is where we initialize them after rotation. Here we have a listener for the swipe gesture, for swipe left or swipe right, and this is the listener for the overflow menu button. This method handles the back button and menu button. This method implements the next question with the two blocks of code in the quiz mode and in the review mode. This method implements the previous question also for quiz mode and review mode. This method records answers and returns true or false if the user answered the question or not. You see C for checkbox, R for radio, E for edit. This method calculates and returns the score. This method is used for displaying the dialog box after the user finished the quiz. And this method is displaying the questions either in quiz mode or review mode. You see again for each of the cases. C for checkbox, R for radio, E for edit. And this is the method that initializes all questions. Practically we have here an array of object question and we initialize it. Here we can at any moment increase this array and add more questions. You see every question has an image, a text, type of question, answer possibilities, correct answer. So in a nutshell, this is my app. Thank you, Udacity.